My name's Elena and I'm doing the chapter 17 video assignment. So the first question is asking which of the substances is the strongest reducing agent. So because we're looking for a reducing agent, we have to find the oxidation reaction. So we have to flip the signs on all of these measured voltage for the reduction. So I flipped all the signs right here, and the biggest number is 1.38 in D. So D has the strongest reducing agent because it came from an oxidizing reaction. And then the second part, we're looking for the substance with the strongest oxidizing agent. So we have to look at the reduction voltage, and the biggest number of the reduction voltage is A. So A3 plus will be the strongest oxidizing agent. And then it says which substance can be spontaneously oxidized by B plus, B2 plus. So if it's being oxidized by B2 plus, we need B2 plus to be going in a reduction reaction. So that's what we have here. And then the rest of these need to be going in a oxidation reaction. So we'll flip the equations and we'll flip the signs. So once we flip the signs, we'll do the B2 plus as the cathode and the rest of them as the anode, and we made them all oxidize or oxidation and flip the signs. And we're looking for a positive E value, because if it's a positive E value, that means it will occur spontaneously. So substances C plus and D minus will occur spontaneously because they gave a positive E value. And then it says which substances will spontaneously reduce by C. So if it's being reduced, we want to make sure that the equation is going to be an oxidation reaction. So we'll do this in reverse, so this will be positive 0.21. So since that one will be oxidized, that will be the anode, and the rest of the numbers are already in reduction form, so those will be the cathode. So we'll do the cathode plus the anode, and once again, we're looking for a positive number to indicate spontaneity, and we have A3 plus and B2 plus that will be spontaneously reduced by C. And then for part 3, it says write the balanced equation for the overall reaction that delivers the highest voltage and calculate the E naught for the reaction. So we need the biggest numbers to create the greatest voltage. So we'll add this number plus the positive value of this, because we can make this the anode and make it a positive number because we can flip the sign if it's an anode. So we'll make A the cathode. So we'll do the cathode plus the anode, and that will give us an E value of 2.85 volts. And then the equation is we have the A being the cathode, so it's in its reduction form, and then we have D being the anode, so it needs to be in oxidation form, becoming more positive. And the electrons here need to match the two electrons here, so we multiply this one by 2, and when we combine these two, we get A3 plus 2D minus yields A plus 2D.